To sell a phantom wallet, you first need to understand what Phantom is. Phantom is a popular digital wallet used to store, send, and receive Solana cryptocurrency and other Solana-based assets. The process of selling a Phantom wallet involves several key steps. First, you need to determine the value of the assets in your Phantom wallet. This can be done by checking the current market value of the Solana cryptocurrency and other assets you have stored in your wallet. Next, you need to decide on a sales platform. There are several options available, including cryptocurrency exchanges, online marketplaces, and peer-to-peer trading platforms. Choose a platform that is reputable, secure, and has a large user base. Once you have selected a sales platform, you need to create an account and verify your identity. This is an important step to ensure the security of your transaction and to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. After verifying your account, you can list your Phantom wallet for sale. Provide detailed information about the wallet, including the amount of Solana cryptocurrency and other assets it contains, as well as any other relevant details. It is also important to set a competitive price for your Phantom wallet. Research the market to determine the going rate for similar wallets and price yours accordingly. When a buyer is found, you will need to transfer the ownership of the Phantom wallet to them. This can be done by sharing the recovery phrase or private key associated with the wallet. However, be cautious when sharing sensitive information and ensure that you are dealing with a trustworthy buyer. Finally, once the sale is complete, ensure that you receive the payment and that the buyer has received the Phantom wallet. It is also a good idea to leave feedback for the buyer and to request feedback in return, to build trust and credibility in the marketplace. Throughout the process, it is essential to prioritize security and to take steps to protect yourself from scams and other forms of fraud. Always use two-factor authentication. Keep your software up to date, and be cautious when dealing with unknown buyers or sellers. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can successfully sell your Phantom wallet and realize the value of your Solana cryptocurrency and other digital assets.